This week's challenge is make a one skillet meal.
Yes, so we love one skillet meals.
Yeah.
They're super quick, simple, and the best part is fewer dishes.
Which everybody loves that.
For sure.
So when we're talking about recipe ideas, we've got tons of those on our website. We've got everything from egg roll in a bowl, which is really fun, to a skillet cheeseburger mac, definitely a kid and family favorite.
Right. If we're making it just a little bit easier, you can look for skillet sauces, which are really fun. You've got all the seasoning, the sauce that you need, and then the back will give you some recipe inspiration for the rest of the ingredients that you might need.
And even easier, we have our step-by-step prep skillet dinners, which you can find in our deli department. Tons of different options.
So today we are going to unbox one of them. We have peanut Thai chicken and veggies with noodles. So all of the ingredients come pre-portioned. It's really simple.
And then you get a card which shows you how to make it. So step-by-step, pictures, directions, the nutrition's right on here, and it's ready in 15 to 20 minutes.
Perfect. Well, good luck, have fun, and we will see you next week.